Welcome to Pre-Math. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC, as you can see in this diagram, such that this angle A is 41 degrees and this angle D is 66 degrees, and moreover this line segment AD is 90 units. And now we are going to calculate this height H. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So before we proceed, let me make it very clear that this diagram may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's look at this angle. This whole straight angle is 180 degrees, and we know that this angle is 66 degrees. Then this angle has got to be 180 minus 66 degrees. So therefore this angle has got to be 114 degrees. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this triangle ADC. We know that the sum of these three angles, this one, and this one, is 180 degrees. So therefore this angle C turns out to be 25 degrees. So I'm going to write down this angle is 25 degrees. So therefore this angle ACD is 25 degrees. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and calculate this side AC. And now let's recall law of sines. A divided by sine alpha equal to B divided by sine beta. If I call this side as an A and this side as a B, then this angle is going to be alpha and this angle is going to be beta. And now let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So we don't know A, just leave it as A divided by sine of alpha, in our case is 114 degrees, equal to B, in our case is 90 units. So I'm going to write down 90 divided by sine of beta, in our case is 25 degrees. And now we know that sine of 114 degrees is approximately equal to 0.914 and sine of 25 degrees is approximately equal to 0.423. So therefore I can write A divided by 0.914 equal to 90 divided by 0.423. Now let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 0.914 on the left hand side and 0.94 on the right hand side to isolate A. So on the left hand side this thing is gone. And now if we simplify our right hand side, our A value is going to be approximately equal to 194.47 units. Therefore this side length AC turns out to be approximately equal to 194.47 units. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this big right triangle ABC. And now let's recall this law of sines. A divided by sine of alpha equals to B divided by sine of beta. In our case, this time I'm going to call our angle alpha as 41 degrees, and this is our angle beta, which is obviously 90 degrees. Then this opposite side, this is going to be our side A, which is H, and opposite to this angle beta is going to be this side is B. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So A in our case is H divided by sine of 41 degrees equal to B is 194.47 divided by sine of 90 degrees. Now we know that sine of 41 degrees is approximately equal to 0.656 and sine of 90 degrees is 1. So therefore our equation is going to become h divided by 0.656 equal to 194.47 divided by 1. Now let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 0.656. In order to isolate h, I'm going to multiply on the right hand side by 0.656 as well. And here on the left hand side they cancel each other out. So our height h turns out to be approximately equal to, if we multiply these one, that is going to give us 127.57 units. And thus here's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.